All right, everybody, I'm going to show you this quick little gardening tip. So I took one of my old Sprite bottles, took the cap off, took a thumb tack and punched holes all in the top. So this is going to help me water my plants without flooding. And you can also get kids to help you out with gardening and watering your plants, make them feel like they're helping out even a lot more. So I just take it, just goes up, down, upside down, put some pressure, just start watering my plants. So it's a steady little stream that comes out. When it stops. I'll squeeze it some more. So it makes it super easy for me to water my little plants in my trays and other stuff like that. That needs some water. Here. But like I say, makes it quick and easy. But I appreciate you guys watching. I know it's probably common knowledge to do this, but maybe some people don't know, and it helps them out.